Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom. I am going to quickly go over how I blend using powder foundation, my blenders in my trusty old fold out face palette. This is a number 2.5 palette in medium tan, and it is my holy grail. I use it for everything, every day, a wedding, run to the grocery store, because there's just so many variations of how you can use it. You can only use one of the steps. You can use all 5 and get a full, full face look, and it is just divine. But I'm here to talk about blending and how I blend. I was a huge liquid foundation girl, and I never thought that powder would be able to give me a finished look like this, and that's a huge misconception. The dual use of the cream concealers with the blenders is magical. It's probably better for your pores and doesn't feel as heavy. It looks way more natural than my liquid foundation ever did. So I first started with a oil or a moisturizer of choice on my skin, and I concealed in areas under my eyes and in my T-zone, my chin, with the lighter. And then I went in with my darker and, kind of went on my cheekbones and in my hairline and on my chin with the darker. So I kind of did like I said, a dual toned look with my concealers, and then blended that out, because you always want to look obviously multi-dimensional. You don't want to look flat. So why would you conceal one color across your face when there's points that protrude and points that you want to not protrude? So this is what's amazing about it, is that it gives you 2. It doesn't just give you one shade. So you can mix them together if it's too light or too dark, etc. So first off, just to give myself a base, I used that. And then I used our blush and blend brush. That this side is just amazing. It's flat. It's, these brushes are all vegan. They're made with synthetic hair, no animal hair, no animal cruelty. They wash beautifully. They look brand new. The hairs never randomly fall off that you're picking them off your, your cheek. They last you a really long time. So I would get them. They come in a pack of 4. And then blending, what we're here for. So I, start by picking up a little bit of powder. I don't make this huge chunky powder situation on my brush. I get a nice base. You can kind of see right there that there's only a little bit. And I directly work it into my skin. You can always go back and get more. Round circular motions. Powder tends to look flaky or powdery if it's not really worked into the skin, which if you just want to quickly dust and whatnot, you might get that, look on your skin. But if you actually sit there and work it into your skin, you will emulsify the powder and warm it up, and it will blend with your natural oils of your skin and become cream-esque. If you have cream concealer underneath, which I did, it fastens that process. So yeah, you're just gonna have to blend it for a little bit, not an hour. It's probably the same amount of time that you would to do a liquid foundation, but that's if you want to wear it on its own. Less time if you want to wear it with concealers underneath, because it will, liquefy quickly. Yeah, so little bit at a time, blend. The more you blend, the better it will look. These brushes are great for blending. They're super dense, like I said, and flat top. It's just, they are, built to work together. Little product, long time blending, and then cream concealers underneath make the process easier, better. Voila. This is all using the fold out face. And I hope that you guys learned a little something from this video and get one and try out a full look.